Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit number 2. Topic: Does he remember? Next lecture, second lecture. Page number 17. Now start the unit. Yes, come the reply. The wine continued it, but since there was no visible movement in the room, I mean भौंकना, visible mean वाज़िया हरकत. Mike was hopeful that the haunts were behind a secure door somewhere, but he was not completely convinced that this was true. Completed मुकम्मल, convinced यकीन. Next, Mike edged forward towards Nabil. आगे बढ़ना, forward आगे बढ़ना. Wait there, Mike, said Nabil. The dog have been locked in the bedroom, but old Marmot is asleep here beside me. Marmotte, said Mike, gasped, stopping dead in his tracks. Aghast means dahshat zada. The old Marmot, the dog I used to tease when he was just a pup. Pup means कुत्ते का पिल्ला. Yes, replied Nabil. You remember? Marmot, remember mean याद. I do, stuttered Mike. Stutter mean अटक के बोलना. It's been a long time. I hope you have him on a leash. I remember I used to worry him and I don't think he will remember that far back, said Nabil. He is old and blind now and likes to sleep. And by the way on, he is not on a leash. Can you be sure? Asked Mike. Sure of what? Asked Nabil. That is asleep. You can hear him snoring, can't you? Snoring means kharate. No, whispering Mike. Whispering means sargoshi. Are you sure that he does not remember me? Just then the snoring stopped abruptly. The dark form on the sofa stirred. A large head was raised and two great nostrils sniffed the air loudly. Nabil and Mike did not make a sound. Then there was chaos. Then there was chaos. Chaos means afra-tafri. The dark form leaped into the air, urgently scrambling to get off the sofa. A snaringly ringing Marmaduke leaping forward toward Mike, drawn out the wine from the distant bedroom. Stop him! Do something! Screamed Mike as he too scrambled behind a large armchair. Nabil acted just in time. He threw himself on top of the dog, pinning it firmly to the floor slowing it down. Mike saw his change and took to his heels, immediately heading straight for the front door. Nabil could not keep the writing animal dropped for very long. It was almost as big as he was and much stronger. Mike reached for the door handle, went it down, pulled open the door and shut outside, slamming the door firmly behind him. It was not a moment too soon. Looking over his shoulder as he raced for the gate, Mike saw Marmaduke great paws of against the window panes. Next to the door, the animal's large, unseeing eyes blazed like rented grants, and his teeth were red. His ferocious barks and growl had encouraged the other dog to bite. Louder it seemed as if all the dogs of the neighborhood had joined in the cacophony. Warne घूमना cacophony. Mike leaped up on over the gate like an athlete in his prime and collapsed in a heap on the dusty ground. He stood up shakily and still breathless, dusted his jacket and trousers with trembling hands. From his pocket he took a large white handkerchief and wiped the sweat off his brow. By Nabil, he called out and waved as he hastily made his way down the road. Without even turning to look, I will call you sometime. Perhaps we can meet in town one day. They never did see each other again.